In my years of experience of reviewing students' work, one of the common mistakes that I find students doing is writing a whole paragraph without inserting in-text citation. So most of the times you would have an authoritative statement being written without any sources of information to back that authoritative statement. Maybe probably you forgot to insert your in-text citation, or you were mischievous when you were writing that whole paragraph without inserting the in-text citation. You don't know where you picked that information from, and your supervisor has passed the comment that where are your references to support these authoritative statements that you've made. So when you find yourself in such a situation, what do you do? So this is where this AI tool known as Elicit comes in. So Elicit has been programmed to help you find sources of information which are similar to the statements that you make in your paragraphs. Let's use this as an example. Well, this is a sample paragraph which I am going to use as an experiment. Looking closely, you would realize that this paragraph has no in-text citation. So we need an in-text citation for this first sentence. What you do is you're going to copy this sentence, go to your browser, and go to Elicit, www.elicit.com. So that's the first option we have over here. So you go to elicit.com. This is how their interface looks like. So this is their logo, and this is where you can ask your question. You can still put in your statement or your sentence in this dialog box. So I've already copied, so I will paste over here. So as you can see, it's pasted. And I'll click on this button. So what is happening now is Elicit is searching for related papers. Yes, so here we have it. So let's compare to what I have in my Word document. So it started with the Cold War 1947, was a period of intense geopolitical tension between the United States and its allies, representing capitalist democracies, and the Soviet Union and its satellite states promoting communism. So we can compare it with what Elicit has presented. So Elicit also says the Cold War was a period of intense geopolitical tension between the United States and the Soviet Union, rooted in ideological differences dating back to 1917. So you would realize that this is almost similar to what I have in my paragraph. So what I will do here is, since it's similar, I can copy and replace with what I have. So you just copy, go back to your line sentence and replace it. So you clear this one, then you replace it with the one that you copied from Elicit. So here we have it. So we have our in-text citation. Yes. So after that, after you've done this, one thing you have to know is this comes out as AI generated. So you have to remove the AI content by humanizing it. How do you humanize? You can just paraphrase it and make sure that it looks a little bit different from what it looks now. Or the same, if you cannot humanize, you can rely on AI humanizing tools available in the market. Yes, so this is it. So I believe you found this video useful. See you in the next one.